Good morning. This is the weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, September 21st. I'm meteorologist Andrew McCon. Taking a look at what's going on here for the next few days. Expecting cool temperatures this morning, once again with frost and a light freeze potential through about 9 o'clock or so. High pressure then builds over the region today. Afternoon highs expected to be about 10 degrees warmer than what we saw yesterday. Weak, dry upper-level system will swing through the area on Wednesday, bringing some breezier conditions, but nothing too unusual for this area, with high pressure once again building back in later this week. Temperatures warming above normal by the weekend with no precip expected. That being said, not much in the way here for weather risk the next couple of days. Again, I mentioned that frost freeze potential in our growing zones this morning, but as we progress through the week, those overnight lows are going to warm up a bit, so not expecting any more frost freeze concerns after tonight. So we do have that frost advisory out across the growing areas through about 9 o'clock this morning. And you can see those low temperatures are forecast to be quite chilly. As I speak here at the airport, we're sitting at 35, with Idaho Falls currently at 37. So those temps will probably drop another degree or two between now and daybreak. But once again, this will be the coolest of the mornings here for the next couple of days. And as we warm up this afternoon, expecting mid to upper 60s to right around 70 degrees for a good portion of the area. By Wednesday morning, you can see still cool across portions of the upper Snake Highlands into the Arco Desert area, but you can see down on the 86 corridor, Burley, Pocatello, should be 5 to 7 degrees warmer than this morning. So certainly not out of the question that we might have a few spots with some patchy frost tomorrow, but certainly not going to be quite as widespread as what we saw this morning. And those temperatures by Wednesday afternoon climb into the middle 70s to upper 70s for a good portion of the area, with some upper 60s and lower 70s across the higher terrain. I did mention that weak dry system that moves through on Wednesday. Not expecting any precip with it, but it does look like it'll bring some slightly breezier conditions, but again, nothing overly unusual for this part of the country, and certainly looks, for now at least, to be below any sort of wind advisory criteria, but noticeably breezy compared to what we saw, what we're going to see today on Tuesday. And as you see, as the week progresses, those overnight lows creep back up a couple degrees each day, so no more frost freeze concerns after Wednesday morning for the rest of the week, at least across the lower terrain, that is. High temperatures on Thursday. After that system kind of departs, it does look like we will cool down slightly, just a couple of degrees, but not going to have any huge impact on our temperatures, but a couple of degrees cooler than Thursday. But as that ridge starts to build back in on Friday, those temperatures will climb back up a couple more degrees, right around normal to slightly above normal. And as we get into the weekend, those temperatures look like they will stay in that above normal range and beyond, for that matter, as we get into the 6 to 10 day period. Pretty high confidence of above normal temperatures, with precip expected as of now to be near normal, which for this time of year still isn't a whole lot of precip. So not expecting much in the way of precip here for the next few days. So again, today, this morning will be the coolest morning here for the next week, with high pressure pretty much dominating the weather pattern here for the upcoming week. So not expecting much in the way of precip, with normal to above normal temperatures expected through the period. Thanks for joining us this morning. Have a great day.